At some point in your life, pain becomes just background noise. It's that voice in your head, that running commentary, I just have bad knees, or my shoulder's shot, or my back always hurts, or something always hurts. And you act like it's normal, like you're just supposed to accept it. And maybe it is part of aging and that's normal, but I also think that a lot of us walk around inflamed, run down, hormonally challenged and changing. We're stressed, we're underslept, and we're just recovering, especially after 50. That's why more and more people are paying attention to new medicines, supplements, and ways to recover and wellness conversations that used to stay way under the radar. Now, not long ago, I started to look into pain relief. I kept hearing more and more people talk about something called PDA or Pentadeca Arginate. It's a compound made up of 15 different amino acids combined with arginate. And it's mentioned oftentimes in the same conversations as peptides because people are looking into it for things like joint pain and discomfort, healing, inflammation, muscle soreness, things like that. Most of all, pain. Now, what interested me wasn't the hype or even the science. I really don't care as much about that as it was hearing people like myself say, I just don't hurt anymore. I don't hurt all the time. That's what got my attention. Now, again, I'm not a doctor. This is not medical advice. I'm just a guy who's pushing 60 who is looking for answers. And so I'm just sharing what I have personally researched and have been trying myself. And so I recommend you check it out. Pentadeca Arginate. I get mine from Clinic Secret. So if you want to know more about PDA and if it's right for you and how you can order it, click the links in the comments below or in the bio.